Good afternoon. For assignment 36, the video tutorial, I am going to be sharing with you how to send emails to students. So I'm going to open up my classroom over here. And then the next thing that you do after you go into your classroom, you go up here to where it says People. And then you scroll down, and I think usually I would have a long list of students here. But I'm going to just click this button up here. So this button right here checks and unchecks all the students that would be in the class. If I just wanted to talk to one student, I could do this, or just two, or let's just say I had 30 students and then these are the top 3, then I could just, these top 3 were the ones I needed to talk to, I could just select them however it works for you. But I'm going to check all those to email my whole class, and then I'm going to go to Actions. This is where you can do 3 different things, but right now we are going to email. So click on Email. Then it's going to automatically bring me to my email page, and then it puts all of their email addresses in there. Again, if I just wanted to email a couple of them, if I had 30 kids in my class, there would be 30 emails in this section here, and I could put the subject in here, type them a message, type, and then just go ahead and send it to them. So I'm not going to send it to them today, so I'm just going to delete that. So yes, so one more time, you just simply go to your classroom. You just go to your classroom, click on there, go to the top, click People, select your students, Action, Email, and then it brings that up. So there you go.